Welcome to this tutorial on Crypto.com one-time cards explained. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples of using Crypto.com one-time cards. First, let's start with the basics. Crypto.com one-time cards are virtual prepaid cards that can be used for online transactions. They are designed to provide an additional layer of security and convenience for users. Each card is linked to your Crypto.com account and can be funded with a variety of cryptocurrencies. To get started with Crypto.com one-time cards, you need to have a Crypto.com account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the Crypto.com website or mobile app. Once you have an account, you can navigate to the card section and apply for a one-time card. The application process is straightforward. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address. You will also need to verify your identity by uploading a valid government-issued ID. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Once your application is approved, you can fund your one-time card with a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. The funding process is simple and can be completed in a few clicks. You can also set a spending limit for your card to ensure that you don't overspend. One of the key benefits of Crypto.com one-time cards is that they provide an additional layer of security for online transactions. Since each card is a virtual prepaid card, it is not linked to your main Crypto.com account balance. This means that even if your card information is compromised, your main account balance will remain safe. In addition to security, Crypto.com one-time cards also provide convenience. They can be used for online transactions, such as shopping, booking travel, or paying for subscriptions. You can also use them to make purchases at online merchants that accept prepaid cards. To use your Crypto.com one-time card, simply enter the card details at checkout, just like you would with a traditional credit or debit card. You can also use the card to make recurring payments, such as subscription services. In terms of best practices, it's a good idea to keep your Crypto.com one-time card information secure. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access to your account. You should also keep your card information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. In conclusion, Crypto.com one-time cards are a convenient and secure way to make online transactions. They provide an additional layer of security and can be funded with a variety of cryptocurrencies. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with Crypto.com one-time cards and enjoy the benefits of secure and convenient online transactions.